percentage ng business against being an employee just in case magtayo ako ng business. Yung sa tax rate, merong pareho sa employee at isang self-employed, yung sole proprietor or yung professional ang registration, pwede yung graduated income tax rate. So pareho yung rate na yon being a self-employed or may business na individual saka being an employee. Pero ang pinagkaiba, same rate, pero yung business, meron siyang business expenses na pwedeng ibawas sa kanyang business income. Hindi yun available pag ikaw ay employee. So, ayun. And then, pag business, may option si business, si self-employed kung anong tax option yung best para sa kanya. Pwede yung graduated income tax rate option, dalawa yung pagpipilian ni business doon, optional standard deduction, saka itemized deduction. Or pwede rin yung 8% income tax rate option. Pag ikaw naman ay employee, hindi ka pwedeng mamili. Ang i-apply sa'yo ng employer ay graduated income tax rate table only. So, ganun siya.
You're a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.